Thingamajig scribing tool. This tool is designed for quick and more convenient marking. The length to be measured can be adjusted in a couple of easy movements, and the manufacturer guarantees an accuracy of up to 0.04 inches. The anodized aluminum blade, which is guaranteed not to rust, leaves a thin but clearly visible cut on the surface. This is sufficient for further work. Thingamajig is ideal for working with laminate, wooden furniture, and various painted objects. The cut created by it during further cutting allows to reduce splintering of paint and wood, including if you have to work across the fibers, and it is convenient to work even with one hand. The price is about $85. Stud mark. In order for a hook or shelf holder to last a long time, it is necessary to attach them to beams hidden inside the wall. It used to be long and difficult to find them. You had to use a ruler and complicated plans. Today, stud mark solves the problem in no time. It has a powerful magnet built into it, which is attracted to the nails of the beams. Usually, just a couple of movements on the wall surface is enough to find the best places for fastening. But that's not all. Stadmark got 2 removable magnets to make designating the right shelf more convenient and easy. The price is $12. Nemo Power Tools. The name of this device is not accidental. Like Nemo from the famous cartoon, these tools feel great in the water. They were designed specifically for the extremely difficult work of various underwater assembly and disassembly. The brand's range includes several models of drills, wrenches, grinders, saws, and even punches. All of them are battery operated. Its full charge is enough on average for 2 hours of work. The maximum depth of immersion with such tools is 160 feet. The price varies greatly depending on the tool, but exceeds $1,000 per piece. Lamello, Tenso, P10, an alternative to traditional fasteners for small wooden furniture, is offered by the Swiss company Lamello. Tenso P10 is a clip fastener designed specifically for quick gluing of parts, with thickness from 0.40 inches. Fastening with Tenso P10 does not require the use of glue or other additional fasteners. The connection is 100% concealed and very secure. All the worker has to do is to create the holes for the coupler using a router. Inside the holes, the parts are placed without tools by hand and in a couple of seconds. The clamping forces created are 22 pounds, and the price is $80. Roof pitch hopper. Any roofing work involves certain risks to health and life, and the roof pitch hopper can significantly reduce them. It is a platform with an anti-slip coating It is firmly fixed to the flexible roof tiles and then withstands up to 1,200 pounds of weight load, so a person can lean on the platform and work in a more comfortable position with less risk of slipping and falling. Maximum simple and understandable device of the invention has also provided an affordable price of $95. SpeedDeck Pro. The Australian-designed SpeedDeck Pro can help you lay wood decking 4 times faster than ever before. It is a metal holder that fixes the board in place during fastening and avoids wasting time creating markings. The tool can hold several boards at the same time. In addition, it allows you to make identical gaps between them. Thanks to this, the finished decking looks more aesthetically pleasing. The manufacturer offers the device in 5 different sizes with lengths from 2.70 to 5.50 inches. The price is $40. Lift-right electric stair climbers. Lifting even the heaviest loads up a ladder is easy with a tool from the Irish company Lift-right. The device is a cart with a load capacity ranging from 170 to 1,100 pounds depending on the model. It allows you to transport objects in a comfortable position, avoiding unnecessary strain on your back. However, the invention reveals itself best when climbing stairs. The mechanical pusher lifts the cart with all its load and then places it on the step above. It repeats this cycle until the cart is on the desired floor. Smart level ladder. An uneven or sloping floor is no longer an obstacle to working at heights. A few years ago, Dutch specialists introduced a new generation of ladders. The secret of its high level of safety lies in the unique design of the legs. They're attached to an adjustable profile, the angle of which can be changed to coincide with the surface. This allows the ladder to be set strictly vertical in any situation. The manufacturer, Smart Level Leda, offers several similar ladders of different sizes. All of them are equipped with a maximum working height indicator and locking hooks for greater safety. The price is about $350. Clepsydra. The next invention to be discussed is a drill attachment for removing rust and paint. It is an extremely stiff metal brush, and what sets it apart from its competitors is its unusual concave shape. This makes the Clepsydra ideal for working on rods and rebar. It can be used several times faster, as it works on several sides at the same time. Clepsydra's compact size allows it to operate in tight and hard-to-reach places. Price from $25. Hammer with nail dispenser. And here's a product that unfortunately you can't buy so easily in the store. It's a project by American Michael Young, and right now the inventor is working on obtaining a patent to someday put his brainchild into mass production. We can tell you about it now though. You're looking at a hammer that allows you not to hold nails with your hands and significantly increases the safety and speed of work. The tool drives them in completely independently and unusually works with pistol nails. Columbia Drywall Automatic Taper. The last tool on our list is designed for fast and efficient drywall taping. It allows you to reduce the number of required tasks and tools, and at the same time to perform the entire gluing cycle in just a couple of movements. The secret of efficiency lies in the well-thought-out device. It is filled not only with painter's tape, but also with putty. It turns out that the device simultaneously applies putty to the joint and then applies the tape on top. The built-in guide roller allows you to make the lines more even, and the device also got a tiny knife to neatly cut the tape when the joint is finished. The manufacturer is a Canadian company called Columbia Taping Tools. The purchase will cost $1,450.